Bird and Kip, Episode 31, Kip's Birthday.
I can't wait,
said Bird.
Kip is going to be so surprised.
It was Kip's birthday. Bird was planning a surprise party. It was going to be at the pond. Everyone in the park was invited. Bird flew to her nest for party hats. Kip poked his head out of his hole.
Today is my birthday,
said Kip.
I know.
Said Bird.
Happy birthday! I'll see you at my party,
said Kip. Bird gulped.
What party?
She asked.
I'm planning a party for myself,
said Kip.
It's going to be at the Giant Rock. Everyone in the park is invited. Oh, no,
thought Bird. Kip was planning his own party. And Bird was planning a party too. But Bird couldn't tell Kip. Her party was a surprise.
What am I going to do?
Wondered Bird.